Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Vanessa V, and I'm here with another video. So tell me if I've been sleeping on the setting, but I'm using my phone, and instead of doing it in selfie mode, I'm just doing it like on 0.5. What? Okay, anyways, so I'm here. I was already feeling like I wanted to show you guys this cute ass little juicy set. It's a little aggressive, but this is the set. I say aggressive because literally it's going up my butt right now, but like it's super cute, right? Am I right? This isn't a size extra large. I believe when I got it at Ross. You guys know I'm a big girl and this fits, so I'm not mad at it. Anyways, I'm getting ready actually for a coffee date, and I'm like, why am I not on the phone with these girls? So I decided to tell you guys that I'm getting ready for a coffee date. So as you guys can see, I already got started. So I already put on my moisturizer with the bronzing drops by e.l.f. that you guys have seen. And tell me if you guys like the setting or what's good. Hopefully I know where to talk because I keep trying to look at the mirror, but we can figure that out. So I am using these, and then with my bubble bronzer. Really, girl, calm the fuck down. Take a deep breath. It's because I know I don't have a lot of time. So if this sounds crazy, girl, it is crazy. It is 4:57, and I'm supposed to meet this man in 30 minutes. So I'm already anticipating that I'm going to be late, but it's fine. He said like 5:30 or 6, and then he chose 5:30. So like, bitch didn't ask me, so it's your own fault. No. So I will say it's because I had a lot of updates on my makeup and the things that I was using, and I was like, I gotta tell them. So aside from going on a coffee date with some guy who's just in town like for the weekend because he randomly travels for work, so he passes every so often. So the last time he was here, we like matched, I guess, but we didn't like hang out or anything. And so this time he came through and he's like trying to hang out, so we're gonna hang out. But I've been using this, and somebody commented and was like, yo, tell me how you like it, because I've been getting like white chunks in it. So as I've been using it, I was thinking like, I don't know what's going on. Maybe they're using too much is my thought. And then yesterday I went on a hike on another date. That's tea as well. Anyways, and I was like fucking sweating. And later in the evening, after I wasn't sweating, I noticed my eyebrows were like white and clumpy, which was not the move, and it did not look cute. So I think you're onto something, girl, but it might be related to sweat or moisture. You guys can comment down below and let me know, but girl, they're giving today. And the way I'm laughing though. And I'm still using this contour. I already put that on as well. Do not fucking tell me it's not recording. I thought it was not recording, girl. I was gonna panic so hard. Okay, so I'm using this one in the shade Brown Sugar. And then I also put the Thanks liquid blush. It's the color Thanks from the ColourPop liquid blushes that look like this. I got mine at Target. So I've really been liking that blush. And then I also put, I put some of this NARS Orgasm like shimmer stick. I don't know. I feel like this used to go really hard and I used to really like it. But now that I have it again, I'm like, is she really giving, or is it just nostalgic? It got my like $16 at TJ Maxx for nostalgia maybe. I don't know. You guys tell me, what do you guys think? Are we still in love with her? Are you still in love with her? How does she look on my face? And I put my Princess mascara on. So basically I did the whole damn thing without you guys, but I just needed to tell you that I'm going on a date with this guy who's like from out of town. I don't think it's a real big deal, but I don't know. We'll see. I mean, I'm not expecting anything serious to come from it, but you know, maybe something will. So I'll let you guys know. I'm still loving this lash. I use my lashes like quite a bit. I don't know what it constitute as being healthy or normal, but unless I fuck up the band or they get too dirty because I don't like wash them with soap and water and shit, then I, you know, just reach for another pair. I don't know about you guys, but like for me, lashes, it's like a bond you create. And once you create the bond and like they're molded to your eyes, they work for you, they're easy. These are reusable like lash strips. I'm talking about like, it's tragic when one dies because then you're like, fuck. For me, it's like at least the first day that I'm wearing them. It could be hit or miss depending on the brand. Like some of them, if they're too cheap, like they don't mold well, they'll be popping off. But anyways, these are the LA Colors Dramatic Lash, and the it's 3D faux mink wispy, and I fucking love them. I went back to Dollar Tree because it's been a hot ass minute since I bought them to see if I could find them. They have some, but they're not the same ones, so I'm gonna keep an eye out for them because they look gorgeous on. And you guys know that I use the Shop Miss A eyelash glue. I'm thinking I'm going to wear black shorts. Like this summer, I've been living in 2 pairs of shorts specifically. I have a black pair and a blue pair. And I'm trying to tell myself, like, bitch, you have all this other shit you don't use or need. Like, be more mindful. Yet I have a room full of juicy, so I don't fucking know what I'm talking about. But I can be a simple person sometimes. So, yeah. That's that. I think I want to wear black shorts and maybe a tank top because it's like still summer. And I love my leg tattoo, so I like wearing my shorts on dates because I think it's sexy. I think it's cute. So, I will be wearing shorts, I think. I also have like this blue jean like skirt, but I don't think I'm really feeling that. And I'm going to straighten my hair. And I had a big ass pimple right here. Had like patches on it. Yesterday was on a date with a patch. So today I'm like trying to be okay with it. But I'm still like, you look fucking ugly with that. So we'll see, I guess. This is just the cuticle oil that I got like from Ross. They are Paris Hilton. I actually busted this shit. Sorry, I feel like I'm cussing a lot today, but yeah, I feel like I busted it. A lot of you guys couldn't believe that I turned 40. Girl, I can't even believe I turned 40. I turned 40. Just because I guess I'm young at heart. Like, I'm just a girl who birth certificate says I'm 40 now. Put a little bit of cuticle oil on these cuticles. Take a little pride in what I freaking look like. I just juice them. I actually got some new gel tips and a new lamp to do gel extensions for my birthday from my mom and my sister. So I'm thinking about doing a nail video for you guys. Back in the day, I used to do nail videos for you all. So I was thinking I got some brand new stuff to play with. And my nails aren't done, so maybe I'll make a nail video. I would say Sunday today would be the day, but it kind of turns out I'm committed to a date right now. And the key to lash strips is you gotta let them just cook the appropriate amount of time. Like the glue has to get semi-dry. Like I still feel like that's a little early. Like it's a little too white still. So I actually might wait another second. While I wait, I'm wearing this lip oil. You would think I'm getting paid to like advertise all this, but I'm not. I'm just showing you guys. This is what I have on my lips, and this is like the second, not the second, maybe the third time that I'm using this. And I've been using other products in between, and when I pulled this out and put it on, I'm like, wow, this is like a lip oil, but it's like thick but not sticky, and I love that. Like, it's not too thin. Like right now my lips are feeling a bit dry, so I wanted something that felt moisturizing. And when I put on lip oil, although it's supposed to be like nourishing for your lips and stuff, the thinner formula doesn't really make my lips feel like snug as a bug. And this felt really good when I was putting them on my lips. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so I think we're gonna go ahead and put it on because this part right here is a bit more dry than this. But if I wait for this one will be like not sticky enough to actually stick and stay. So, not that you wanted a lash tutorial, but I'm telling you, I start from the inner out. So I'm gonna put it in towards this part of my eye first, and then move it towards this way, pressing down. I don't know if I can show you very well, because your girl also is visually impaired. So I just kind of like get it where I want it. Definitely not perfect. Then I go in with my tweezers and I just gently pat it on there and wiggle it into the place that I'd like it. A lot of people cut their lashes. I generally only cut them if they have like little extra tabs on the end that don't actually have lashes on them. Usually they work fine for me. It depends on where you want them to start, where they want them to end, and how big your eyes are, or I guess how long your eyelid is, really. But yeah, so I'll just play with it a little bit. And because it took me a minute to put the glue on this one before I put the glue on the other one, it allows approximately about the same cooking time. So this is what this lash band is looking like right now before I go to apply it. So it's getting dry. We want to go ahead and attach her, again starting from the inner side out. And literally, the more you do it, the easier it is, but there are some lashes that are harder than others. So I don't know. I'll say not all lashes are made the same. I would go with name brands or brands that you know are popular. I have some Kiss lashes I like. I've tried Ardell lashes, Anastasia Beverly Hills, Lily lashes. Well, actually, Anastasia, I just got them. I haven't tried them. Dollar Lash Club, but they don't exist anymore. But I love those. Of course, Ione from Dollar Tree. I don't know, maybe LA Color Girl lashes are it too. Anyway, so this is what the lashes are giving right now. As they're drying, I kind of move them into place, but I don't really fuck with them till I know they're pretty dry. And then when I know they're pretty dry, if I'm feeling like they're separated too much, I do kind of press them together, or as they're drying, I'll kind of like flick my lashes up into them. My lashes are pretty small, so even when I don't do that, it's not like the worst thing for me, but it is a thing that people do. So a lot of times, instead of pressing them together, I just kind of move them to the glue. And then when they're a little bit more dry, this is if I have time, because I'm not even going to front when I don't have time. I don't do that step. And you can hate me for that. But it never kept me from like making friends, doing well at my job, or anything of that sort. So, all right. So I think we're pretty much done. I do need to brush my teeth, which I'm like notorious for doing my makeup and then brushing my teeth and then put on an outfit. I think I'm just going to come back and show you what I'm wearing, and then we'll talk later about how the day actually went. And then as these are drying, I just keep adjusting to make them look like friends. And I'm not used to looking at my camera like this, so I'm probably just looking at the mirror the entire time. All right, I'll be back. Bye. Okay, let me see if I can scoot back enough. Okay, this is the fit. This is what the top looks like. And I'm wearing my American Eagle bottoms. Then I'm wearing just like a nude flip-flop. I'm wearing like a lime green bra. I think that looks pretty cute in my choker. I did spray my face with the Milani setting spray, so that's the only thing that's changed. I reapplied my lip gloss. And yeah, I don't know what bag I'm gonna use. Probably just my black juicy bag that I've been living in. He's already messaging me like how many minutes, and it's like 5:34. So I did let him know that I was running late, but either way, yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes until after the date. Bye. Like unique to my upbringing.
I don't run into that.